How to log into Instagram without a recovery code. So today in this video I'll be showing you how can you log into your Instagram account without a recovery code. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up Instagram application and this interface has been appeared on my screen. So in this section you have to enter your phone number and password or the credentials related with your Instagram account and you can log into your account. But if you forget your password and want to reset it, you have to receive a recovery code on your phone number. But if you don't have your access to your email address or phone number to receive a code, then also there is a way to log into your account. For that you have to go for get help logging in option over here, and in this section you need to enter your username, email or phone number related to your Instagram account. And once you are done, you can go for next option over here. And here you have to simply tap on can't reset your password option, and it will take a few seconds to load. You just have to wait for a while. And an email has been given over here, but since we are trying to log in without a recovery code, you just have to go for try another way option at the bottom, and here you have to select a reason for not being able to log into your Instagram account. That can be any of this reason. You just can select I forgot my password and can't reset it, and can go for next. And here in this section it is asked, do you have more than one photo of yourself in your account? They have asked whether you have posted any of your photos on your Instagram account or not. If you have posted, then you can choose the first option, which is yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. And you have to take a selfie video of yourself and they will detect your account for finding your account. If your face matches with the photo that you have posted on your Instagram, then you will be able to log into your account. But if you haven't posted your photos on your Instagram, then I don't think there won't be any ways to log into your account. Or you can also try for another way by going to the previous pages, and after selecting yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account, you can go for next, and you can go for the further process. For the further process, you have to enter the email address which you have access to. This is because they will send a message about recovering your Instagram account. You will be verified through the video selfie and they will send a recovery email for login to your account, and you can simply enter the email address which you have access and you can go for submit, and by doing that you will be able to log into your account. You can also try another way by going back to the previous page and you can select your preferred one. So this is how you log into Instagram account without a recovery code. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.